Round one has gone to Samsung in its closely watched legal skirmish with U.S. hedge fund Elliott Associates. A local court has thrown out Elliott's injunction request to block a vote on the merger of two Samsung Group affiliates. But according to our Shin Se, though a battle is won, the war is far from over as the merger is still not a done deal yet.
The Seoul Central District Court has rejected the first injunction brought by U.S. hedge fund Elliott Associates. Elliott had been seeking to block the proposed $8 billion merger of two Samsung Group units, Samsung C&T and Cheil Industries, the de facto holding company of Samsung Group. The hedge fund, which owns a 7.1% stake in Samsung C&T, sought to block a shareholder vote scheduled on July 17th over the proposed all-stock takeover attempt by Cheil. Elliott argued that the proposed merger is unfair, saying stockholders in Samsung C&T were getting offered well under the odds for their shares. Elliott, Samsung C&T's third largest shareholder, also took issue with Samsung C&T's stake sale to KCC, a local manufacturer heavily in favor of the takeover, and was hoping to nullify KCC's voting rights. The Seoul court did not issue a decision on that injunction request on Wednesday, but said it would do so before the shareholder vote on July 17th. On the first injunction, the court said the merger ratio could not be seen as unjust, as it complied with local law which requires the ratio to be calculated based on current share prices. Following the ruling, Elliott expressed its regret, sticking to its guns that the sale of Samsung C&T shares to KCC was inappropriate and unlawful. Samsung C&T says it was delighted with this court's ruling, describing it as fair as the merger itself. The proposed merger, considered vital for the controlling Lee family to transfer leadership from the group's hospitalized figurehead Lee Gun-hee to eldest son Tae-yong, will go through if two-thirds of Samsung C&T shareholders vote in favor of it. Shin Se, Arirang News.